Hi everybody! Today we are unboxing the Blitzwolf BW XRC 600 Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. We got it by mail today in this big black box. And let's see what's inside. Oh, first we got the user's manual. I'm going to read it a little bit later. It's a big surprise. Woohoo! Okay, I see a vacuum cleaner, the big one. I don't know how to handle it, but I'll manage. Oof, it's heavy. The big one. It's got brushes and wheels and something says please take it out before using. So I think I'm gonna take it out now. Okay. There is the area for the dust. Oh, it's heavy. I like it that it's heavy. There are few buttons or just lights. I'm not sure yet. I have to plug it in. It says vacuum, UC, timer, self-touch, and I think this is the start button, but we'll see a little bit later. Put it back for now. And here we got the charger, I suppose. Yes, it's auto charging station. Okay, this is the right side, sorry. There are 6 buttons. It says, one moment, hour, minute, week, time, start. I'll read the manual to see what this is for. Then we got the sonic wall. Then we got the, the charger, the cable for charging. It's got European plug-in because we are in Europe, but I'm sure you can order other plug-ins. Oh, there is a remote control and 2 batteries. I'll use it later. There's a little box with some spare parts, like 2 more brushes, 1 brush, and oops, and the other brush, and I think this is a filter to change it. Okay, let's see if there's something else. So I've got a big one. Yep, that's all, guys. Okay, I read a little bit about the manual. So this little thing is the virtual wall that creates an invisible barrier that robot will not cross. There are 2 batteries already installed inside, and there is an on and off button that you turn on the sonic wall on and off. Okay, this is the docking station. It's powered by electricity, so there is a cable and the charger. Plug in, you plug it in, and then you plug in this one into the electricity in your wall, and when the robot is done, it will find its own way to the docking station and charge itself. It means the cleaning is finished. To start the robot vacuum cleaner, you have to turn it around, and there is the on and off button. Now it's on. the battery is already installed in, so I did not do anything about it. I just started it. And then this is the touch, I think. You touch it here. Woo! Woo! Okay, stop now. That's the way it works. And one more thing, there is this thing. You have to plug it out, so the docking station will work. There was also this remote control and some batteries. I gotta open them. And then I don't want to hurt myself. Okay. Put the knife away, not to hurt anybody. There are two little batteries. They are 3As. So you can... Are they rechargeable? I'm not sure. Okay, inside you flip the remote control, open it. The classic way of putting batteries in, like on your TV control or any. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to plug the docking station into the wall, and I'm going to show you that. This is the place I find most suitable for my Blitzwolf vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to, as I said, I plug this thing in, and now I'm going to plug it into the wall. Up. There's something going on. Oh, I didn't click this one. Okay, that's the docking station. And now I'm supposed to install the docking station somehow with the remote control. And I push the red button in here so it gets started. I think that this one is searching for the... Oh no, you see this one little battery with an arrow that he finds his docking station. And the docking station is found and he's plugged in, and the blinking means that that's recharging.